friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making easy cucumber apple salad. All we need for this easy healthy salad is 3 ingredients: cucumber, apples, and raspberry vinaigrette. So this is 1 long English cucumber. If you have regular cucumbers, you'd use 2 small ones. So I'm just going to cut it into cubes. And if you want, you can peel it. I don't peel cucumber. I washed cucumber and apples before making this video. So let me cut it into cubes. First, I cut it in half. And let me put the cut up cucumber in a bowl. And now I'm going to cut apples. And again, I don't peel them. If you'd like, you can always peel them, totally up to you. So first I'll cut them into slices and cut slices into cubes. So now I'm done cutting up apple and cucumber, so I'll just add dressing for taste. This is about a 1/4 cup. If you like to measure, it's up to you how much dressing. And now I'm going to mix it. Perfect. And you can use other dressing. If you can't find raspberry vinaigrette, you can use balsamic vinaigrette, or you can just mix it up yourself by mixing balsamic vinegar and olive oil. But this dressing goes really well with apple cucumber salad. So easy, so healthy and delicious. Super quick and easy to make. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So apple, cucumber. So good. So crunchy, juicy, delicious. Healthy, tasty, easy to make. You're going to love this salad. And it's pretty unique too, and people love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!